record your lecture. Okay, today is 2021, and this lecture will be available at the third period. Okay, so I will share. Good morning again. Good morning, my best learners. Okay, so it's your math teacher. It's your math teacher, Muad Sultan Zwiti. Okay, I want now to share the slide with you. Okay, for that I want to let you focus on this lecture because it's very important. It's very important, my daughters, and you should, let's say, practice the questions that we will give, inshallah, in this lecture. Okay, so we start. I'll just put the charge. Okay, I want to put the charge first. Okay, the charge, where is it? This one. Okay, just a moment. Okay, now the charge is working. Okay, so we start. I want to share the screen with you, my learners, and we start, let's say, studying or teaching you the angle properties that can be in a triangle. Clear? I wish that everything was clear with you. So I will start. Okay, here we start angle. Okay, the first slide should be dealing with angle in a triangle. Okay, angle in what? In a triangle. Okay, our school, your school is Samar Bilingual School, Department of Math. The topic is angle in a triangle. Grade 6, either boys or girls. Semester 2, let's say Tuesday 18 May 2021. Okay, so okay, we'll come to the next step. I'll just read this. Okay, then it comes here also. The next number here, it will be, I'll make Tuesday 18. Okay, I will use this here. So now the lecture will start. Just one moment. I will erase this, then I will erase this also. Okay, I prefer to start from this one. So the title is angle in a triangle. Okay, my learners, you already know that angle sum in a triangle is what? Is 180. Okay, I'll just put the color red. Now I move here, then your lecture will be clear for you to be seen. Okay, I will use the pen or this one. So you can see the angle sum in a triangle is always 180. This is a fact. You should be known. You should, let's say, focus on this fact, because you can't solve this triangle if you don't know about this fact or about the triangle properties. Okay, here you can see that this is a triangle. I can label this as A, B, C. Okay, this is the letter Y, and this is the size of the angle, which is equal to 37 degree, and the question is try to find the value of y. Okay, find the missing angle lettered y. This is the angle lettered y. You are welcome to solve this question, my learners. In this level, you will tell that this is, I will label as A, this is A, okay, the letter A, or the vertex A, this is the vertex B, and this one is the vertex C. So here we have the triangle ABC. In fact, the triangle ABC, my learners, is isosceles triangle. Why? Because we have two sides equal in length. This side AB is equal to AC. You can see that the distance AB is equal to what? To AC. So as we have two sides equal in length, so means that this triangle is isosceles triangle. So means that the angle B should be equal to the angle C in size. Okay, the measurement of B is equal to the measurement of C. Why? Because in an isosceles triangle we have two sides equal in length, which are AB equal AC, and two anterior angle which is equal in size. Means if this is 37, the angle, let's say the angle B is 37, so also the angle C is also 37 degree, of course. Okay, so here I will use the fact that angle sum in a triangle is 180. This is the angle fact, or the angle sum in a triangle. We'll make what? We'll make angle B plus angle C plus angle A should be equal 180. I prefer to start from the known value or the variable y. I will just write here, I will make a slash, I'll make y plus 37. We told y plus 37 plus 37 should be equal to 180. So y plus 37, okay, plus also 37 because we have isosceles triangle. Okay, so should be equal to 180 degree. Clear? This is 180 degree. As here, just add, my learners, 37 plus 37 is what? I will just write y as it is, no change. Y plus 37 plus 37. This one, my learners, is what in fact? 37 plus 37. We told 37 plus 37 is what? Look here, if you will come here, you will write 37 plus 37. Okay, so I will make 7 plus 7 is 14. Okay, I will here put 1, or I will carry 110. 3 plus 3, I'm recording the lecture, Jury, please. So 3 plus 3 is 6 plus 1 is 7. So the answer here, the sum of these two angles, my learners, is what? Is 74 degree. I will just write here 74 degree. Equal what? Should be equal to 180. Then in order to find the value of y, my learners, just subtract what? Subtract, let's say 74 from 180. Look here, this is 180 minus what? Minus 74. Okay, so 0 minus 4, not possible. You should borrow 1. Okay, you should borrow 1. I will suppose that I borrowed 1, it will be 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. As I borrowed 1, I will add it with the 7, it will be 8. Now, no need to work with the 7, suppose that is no exist. 8 minus 8 is 0. So, and 1 minus nothing is 1. So the answer is 100 and 106. So we can see that y equal 180 minus 74 equal 106. Of course, here the symbol of the degree, don't try not to be forgetting this one, because you will lose mark if this question will be in the exam. So 106 degree. Therefore, as a conclusion, I can write here y is 106 degree. This is the last answer. Clear? Okay. The next slide. Here we have another triangle. Okay. Angle sum in a triangle. This is a fact, my learners. Angle sum in a triangle is 180 degree. Don't forget about that. Okay, this one you can see this is an equilateral triangle. Why? Because it has 3 sides equal in length and 3 anterior angle, or just three angle which is equal in let's say in size. This y is here. This is the value of y, or the variable of y, or the size of this angle. Okay, this is the size of the angle, that lettered, let's say that lettered y, or just right here y. So as it is an equilateral triangle, it has 3 sides equal in length and also 3 angles equal in size. Means if this is 50 degree, this is also 50 degree, this is also 50 degree, but the total of these 3 angles should be equal to 180. Oh, this one is labeled y, also this one is y, because we have 3 angles equal in size. So I will just make y plus y plus y should be equal to 180. I will write here, I will make y plus y plus y should be equal to what? To the total of the 3 angles, or the size of the 3 anterior angles is 180 degree. Okay, degree, Mr. Murad, symbol of the degree, Mr. Murad. Okay, so look here, y plus y plus y is 3y, then equal, of course, equal 180 degree. So try to find a pair, an ordered pair of numbers that multiply to give 180, and the first ordered pair, the first value in the ordered pair of numbers is 3. So 3 by 60 is 180. So here you should divide this by 3 and this one by 3 to get to separate or isolate y. In order to isolate y, to write y only here, you just divide both sides by 3, or find the pair of numbers that multiply to give 180. The first number is 3, so by 60. Or let's say divide both numbers by the coefficient 3 of y, which is 3. 3 by 3 is 1. 1 by y is y. 180 divided by 3 is 60 degree. Okay, so this one, my learners, y should be equal to 60 degree. Clear? Okay, now, my learners, I am gonna, let's say, give you feedback about let's say about some examples that we saw before, and I let's say receive some question from you, that how can we change or convert from improper fraction to mixed number, and vice versa. Means that I received one question from one student of you that told Mr. Murad, please, if you please, can you repeat at least or make one example or 2 examples about fractions. Okay, so I'm here to explain this for you, my learners. We go to the next slide. Normally thought that I should give you time to write these slides but the slides will be uploaded, dragged and uploaded on your model. Okay, so please, my learners, try to write what is given and try to use your mind to answer this kind of questions, because it will be helpful and useful when examining. Clear? The fourth slide. Okay, now, my learners, the question is convert means convert to what? To mixed number. Convert to mixed number. Okay, first of all, my learners, before starting, let's say, solving this question, I prefer to make a recap for you about the improper fraction and mixed number. We told that improper fraction in fact can be written as a mixed number. So a whole number, like for example 3 1/5. So 3 here is a whole number. Clear? Is a whole number. W1 is a whole number. And 1/5, this one, my learners, is a proper fraction. PF. Why proper fraction? Because the numerator value is less than the denominator value. Clear? So here, in order to change from a proper fraction, we should know about two facts. The improper fraction can be consist of a whole number and proper fraction, and this whole number and proper fraction is called a mixed number. Okay, so here you can see this is definition very important. A number or mixed number consists of or contains a whole number and a proper fraction. Proper fraction, we told, like 1 divided by 5. Why it's a proper fraction? Because the numerator value is 1 is less than the denominator value. But when, for example, we have 5/2, this one, my learners, is called improper fraction. Why? Because the numerator value is less than the let's say denominator value, because 5 is more than 2. Okay, that's why it's called improper fraction, and that's why the question is dealing how can you change improper fraction while the numerator value is more than the denominator value to what? To mixed number. Okay, this one, my learners, look how to solve this kind of question. Here we have 5. This is 5. It's called the dividend. Okay, divided by what? By 2. This 2 is called the divisor. Okay, now just let's say try to find some groups of 2 that can be in 5. Look, 2 multiplied by 1 is 2. Okay, so 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. I will try to find a multiple of 2 which is less than 5 or equal. Then I will use this fact. So 2 by 2, my learners, is 4. Okay, 4 is less than 5. Okay, I will check again. 2 multiplied by 3, my learners, is 6. But you can see that 6 is a multiple of 2, is a multiple of the divisor, but is more than the 5. So which one I will use? I will use this one. 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. It means I will subtract 4 here. Okay, I will subtract what? 4 here. Okay, how many 2's are there in 4? So 2. 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. That's why I start with this 4. So the remainder is 1. This one is called divisor. This is a quotient. This is dividend, and this is the remainder. I will change the color to make this clear for you. Okay, this is, we told, this is divisor. This is quotient. This is dividend, DI, Okay, and this is a reminder. 1 is a reminder. Clear? I'll just okay. Now, so this one should be equal how many? What is the quotient? Is 2. The quotient is 2. I will write here 2 molarms. Then I will draw the line that represent, let's say, or denote the fraction. What is the remainder here? Remainder is 1. I will write here 1. Then what is the divisor? The divisor is 2. I will just write 2. Clear? Okay, this is a mixed number. If we would like to change to improper fraction, we make 2 multiplied by 2. 2 multiplied by 2. Okay, means the quotient multiplied by the divisor plus the remainder plus 1. All divided by the divisor. Okay, look, 2 by 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. This 5. And the divisor is the same. So this one, how can you convert or change, let's say, a proper fraction to mixed number? We'll move to the next part. 125 divided by 3. This one should be equal to a whole number divided by, this is the remainder, divided by the divisor. Divisor is 3. Try to find the value of this, let's say, circles or as numbers. I will change the color here. Okay, look, 125 divided by what? Divided by 3. So 125 is the dividend, 3 is the divisor. I should find the quotient here and the remainder here. Clear? Okay, I will first of all, how many groups of 3 are in 12? I will write 4. Okay, 4 by 3 is 12. I will subtract 12. Okay, this is 5. I should write it here. I will write here down 5. Then 12 minus 12 is 0. No need to write it, or just write 00. No problem. 00. Okay. Then how many 3's are there in 5? Only one single 3. I will make 1. 1 by 3 is 3. I will subtract 3. Okay. So then 5 minus 3 is 2. So this is the remainder, this is the quotient, this is the divisor, this is the dividend. So the dividend, which is 125, divided by the divisor is 3, is equal to the quotient 41. What is the remainder here? Remainder is 2. 2 divided by 3. This is the last answer. If you would like to check your answer, just make 41 multiplied by 3. Just make here 41 multiplied by 3. Then try to add what? Try to add what? Try to add 2. Look, I will make 41 multiplied by 3. 41. We told 41 multiplied by 3. Then I will add the rest or the remainder plus 2. Then I should divide this by the divisor. Divisor is 3 here, and also is the same as that. Okay. Look, 3, I will try to write it as it is, 3, the divisor. 41 multiplied by 3. It will be 123. Plus 2 is 125. Okay. So, if we would like to start, this is a mixed number. This is the improper fraction, which is the first of sub-question B. I change it to mixed number. This is the main important thing. But from mixed number to change it to improper fraction, just make this one, the quotient multiplied by the divisor plus the remainder. Clear? The next. Now we told as before, improper fraction can be written as mixed number. A mixed number consists of a whole number and a proper fraction. Proper fraction, I will refresh your mind. For example, 5 divided by 10 or by 11 is a proper fraction. Why? Because the numerator value is less than the denominator value. This is proper fraction. Be careful to this kind of definition. Okay, but for example here we have 5 divided, for example, by 3 is improper fraction. Improper MP means improper fraction. The F is a capital fraction, FR or F. Why? Because the numerator value is more than the denominator value. Here we have a mixed number. I will change it to improper fraction. Improper fraction, we told that the numerator value is more than the denominator value. Look how to do this. I will make 5 multiplied by 2, 5 multiplied by 2, then plus the remainder. The remainder is 1. All divided by the divisor is 2. To this 2, you see this 2, now change. Don't change the denominator value, write it as it is. But there, you should multiply 5 by 2, then add 1. So it will be 5 by 2 is 10. Plus 1. All divided by 2. 10 plus 1, my learners, is 11. 11 divided by 2. So this one is improper fraction. Why? Because 11 is more than 2. The next step, the next sub question B, 11 5 over 7. 11 is a whole number. 5 over 7 is a proper fraction. Why? Because 5 is less than 7. I will try to change to improper fraction where the value, numerator value, is more than the denominator value. Look how to do this. This is the 7. You see the divisor. I will write it, no change. But I will multiply now 11 by 7, then I will add 5. So 11 by 7, then I will add 5, sorry. Okay. Then my learners here, 7, the divisor, write it as it is, but don't make 7 plus 5 is 12, then 11 by 12 is 132. No, you should do this first. Calculate 11 multiply by 7 first. 11 by 7 is 77. Clear? Plus 5. Now you can add. It will be what? It will be 82 divided by 7. This is a proper fraction or improper fraction? This is improper fraction. Why? Because 82 is more than 7. Okay? Thank you for listening and see you inshallah next time. Goodbye. Mr. Murad Sultan Zwidi is your math teacher, saying you goodbye and see you inshallah next time. Clear? What else? Okay, I will just save this, my learners, to keep this for you. Then I will come here. Okay, save, of course. Okay, I'm just waiting for saving this, and now the lecture will be ready for you. I wish at the end, I wish my learners, my kids, that you are okay. If you have any doubt, please don't hesitate to ask. Okay, and see you inshallah next time. Goodbye. Assalamu alaikum. Goodbye.